Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Starship auto follow during combat in No Man's Sky. And to do this, we'll need to click on escape, go for the options, and here find the controls. Now when we scroll down, there's Starship Combat Auto Follow, and we can disable it, enable it by holding, or enabling by toggling. And what it does, if enabled during space combat, you can use E to have your ship automatically lock on and chase your target, making space combat much simpler to control. You can change targets with the two buttons that you can change in the controls. Also, you can turn them off to auto follow disabled. On toggle, pressing E once will set your ship to follow your combat target, pressing a second time will disable following, and holding it will make your ship continue to follow your combat target whilst S is hold and stop when S is released. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.